So if I explain, I'll give you a little bit of background what I done with this car.
All right.
So the ignition, the key is stuck, right? It didn't work. So what I did is I ordered the key cylinder through Amazon, right?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was easy to do it. I put it, but I then realized that it wouldn't start.
All right.
I got the keys, but this keys doesn't have no chip, nothing like that.
Where's the old one?
The old key,
Yep.
I got it, but
all
this
the
one-
old stuff.
there was.
All the old stuff. The ignition, everything.
I'll bring that to the.
Now leave me all those keys. Okay, so Amazon. Yay.
This is it what I took off, and this is it what I replaced.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Lost some pieces, no?
Yeah, nothing is missing, everything is there.
Where's that little pin?
That pin, that goes in here, that spring and that thing.
Yeah, and there's a pin that goes in here.
Yeah.
So I'll just fix this one
Uh-huh.
and put it back in.
Okay, it should work, right?
Yeah, and your keys will turn and
I'll be around here.
oh, give me your keys. That's in actually pretty good shape.
Yeah. I think something happened inside there.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's quite normal.
I'll be here.
Alrighty.
I'll be in the yard.
So, I'm just gonna fire this thing up so it gets some light. Some action. Security. It's on. So we'll take this apart. Have a look. It's missing a little part though. I don't know. This is going to be a good idea or what? Oh gosh. Man, I don't know, man. Yeah, that. You pulled the key out in the wrong position for sure. Yep. Oh yeah. And more than likely hammered it back in there. Wonderful. We'll see if this is the good route to go or not. Here. Let's try and hammer that little pin out of there. I'll get it to move or something. It's gotta do something. It's gotta do something. It's gotta do something. Oh yeah, this is way too big. Perfect. It's flush. Now, gotta find something to go. Maybe that'll poke it a little bit further. Probably not. And if this will poke it a tiny bit farther, no it won't. Let's find something else. What's this here? See if that'll go. Oop. Shot right out. Beautiful. I found it too. Bingo has been called. Okay. Try to get this thing apart. Get it apart. There we go. She's apart. There's one of the culprits right there. Sticking up. I'm sure we're going to find many more. But don't forget, he's also ripped it out with the key in the wrong position too. So that can cause a wee bit of a problem, might. We'll have to see here what we can do. There's one there. There's three. The key might not be in all the way. It's in all the way, so there's one for sure. 2, 3. Yeah. So I'll take out these two here. This one is the first one that actually went. And you can tell they don't come out easy. That little nub there gets pushed. Okay. Okay. Oh, jeez. Yeah, look how mashed that is. Yeah, just keep hammering it in there. It might fix itself. It might. This one's it's starting. Look at that. That should be more pointed. There's a 1. What's this one? A 3. 1 and a 3. We came out side by side there. I'm gonna grab some more wafers. Honda. Remember this little Honda kit? Help me, Honda. Help me, Honda. Get her out of my heart. Now I don't know where the 1 came from, and I don't know where the key 3 came from. So there's a spring in here. Let's try a 3. What luck. What a lucky. No, that's not it. It's not it. It's a 1 that goes here. Let's try a 1. Boy, oh boy. What's this? So 1. Put that 1 in there. Look at that one. Oh, nice one. It's a 1. It's a 1, all right. A 3. Well, I think I'm going to try and replace most of these guys here. This is pretty good. That's a 3. This is a bad one. 6. Number 6. Don't know what that number is. That's a 6. Beautiful. Now these guys on this side. Let's pull this one. That's a 2. 2. A 1. There's a 1. Yes. Alrighty. I wonder if I know this colors. This address sounds familiar, but not sure. I need a 4. Oh no. No. Come on. That's see that? This thing lifted up. And all those things are getting mixed up. But I found a 4. And now this last one, which is a something, and it's stuck, so it's damaged. Also, it's damaged goods. It's coming out. Come on. Let's extract that. The 2 tears. Damaged the spring in it. Beautiful. Just wonderful. Let's pull that out of there. Come on. Just leave. Alrighty. Honda springs. They are tiny. Gone. There we go. Alright, so what was that one that I pulled out? Fudge. I don't even remember. Son of a gun. How did it fly out of here? Oh well. I can't remember what that was. Or did I even look at it? Alright, this is falling out here. It's all askew. What was that? So that's there. I'm gonna say a 3. 1, 2, 3. Where's that, a 3? 3. Okay. 3 it is. Yeah. I want some grease. Greaser. Alright. Let's just put that there. This here. See how that lifted up? It needs to be fixed. There. Got it. Oh. Check something here. Make sure. It's all good. Make sure it's all good here. Okay. So that's perfect. Now. Okay, now there's a matter of a little tiny pin that fits right in that hole. That fits in there. Wonderful. Just wonderful. I did have a chunk of a Honda ignition sitting here for a long time, and of course, you know what? I cleaned up. Sitting around here like a bad smell for I don't know how long. Of course, I cleaned up. Look at that. There it is. Found it. Okay. I probably said that so loud he's gonna probably come over here. So remove this plastic, which isn't magnetic. Hopefully that is. This. I don't know if those rods are the same. They're not. Honda. There's so many different configurations of Honda ignitions and stuff. A whole bunch of stuff. No way. Fudge. Pin. Goes into there. This spring goes on top of here. And this little gap. That's all done. Should work for, I don't know what that is, so 7 maybe, I don't know. Needs a wee bit of oil in there. Yeah, that's a lot much better now. It's going in. So if that's the case, I'm going to put some of this in there. It's more like a grease. Not a liquid, it's more greasy. Greasy. There you go. And all he has to do is pop this into there, and I guess you can drive it. So that's that. There it goes. Oop, there it goes. And you know where I'm going to keep that, right? Right there. Okay, make sure. Can you remember where it is? Because next time I need to go looking for it. I'll see it. Alright. Okay. Carlos. I think it was Carlos.
those keys really have a chip inside?
They should, yep.
You know what? I would call this in my desperation to fix it. I opened one key,
Oh yeah.
but I didn't find no chip.
No chips, no.
Okay.
What do we got here? Carlos. I sent you my email.
Sure. Just the email is okay, right?
Sure. Yeah.
I don't do this too much.
Okay.
Do I need your mobile number?
I don't know.
So, it's asking the bank, it's asking here.
Well, you can have it if you want.
I have it on my. Oh,
Yeah.
044. What was it?
Hang on a second.
Don't
Okay,
look
that's
at
the end of the video. Thanks.